Welcome aboard, listeners. Today we're navigating through the digital waves of Bitcoin, the currency that's making splashes without the fluff. We'll steer clear of the poetic and dive straight into what makes this cyber gold the treasure it is and how it might just revolutionize the way we think about money at sea and ashore. Get ready to swipe right on Bitcoin in today's maritime exploration. Now, let's set sail. Ever wondered what all the fuss about Bitcoin is? Let's break it down using some easy breezy language, just like the kind you'd find in your favorite social media feeds. Imagine a world where you don't have to rely on banks to manage your money or on politicians to keep things steady. Enter Bitcoin, a digital currency that's like the cool, independent friend who doesn't need anyone else to have a good time. It's like using cash on the internet, but with a bit of techie flair. Bitcoin is decentralized, which means it doesn't have a main boss like a bank or a government pulling the strings. Think of it as a network of pals, computers, who all agree to the same set of rules for trading their digital tokens, Bitcoins. And what's truly awesome, everyone gets to see the transactions, so it's like having a shared ledger where everyone checks to make sure no one's cheating. Talk about group accountability. One reason why folks are high on Bitcoin is because there's only ever going to be 21 million Bitcoins. This scarcity makes it kinda like digital gold. As more people hop on the Bitcoin bandwagon, demand goes up, but because the supply is limited, the value can skyrocket. It's simple economics, but with a digital twist. Lastly, Bitcoin is not just about cash, it's also about sending a message. It challenges traditional banking, poking at the idea that maybe we don't need those central institutions as much as we thought. It's no revolution with flags and protests, but it might just be a quiet game changer in the world of money. So next time you're scrolling through your feed and stumble upon a Bitcoin meme, you'll get the joke. And who knows, maybe you'll even want to join the digital currency party. All right, listeners, that's a wrap on another episode where we've unpacked the enigma of Bitcoin in plain speak. Remember, this isn't just about digital currency, it's also about shaping the future of finance. If today's discussion piqued your interest or cleared up the fog around Bitcoin, support us by hitting like, sharing this episode, and dropping your thoughts in the comments. Every bit of feedback helps us grow and bring you more content like this. And in the wise words of WBTM Voice, be water, my friends. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and stay plugged into the Bitcoin conversation.